Hey, welcome to Geer Talk, Talking Gear. My name is Mike, and today we're going to be unboxing the all-new Shure MVX2U. So what this is a single-channel interface that allows you to plug in your favorite XLR mic to your laptop or your desktop computer for content creation and streaming. There's also a DSP app that we have called the MOTIV Desktop App that allows you to control some basic functions of the mic, whether you're using it in auto level mode or in manual mode, and you're taking control of some of those features. So let's do a quick unboxing and show you what you get. So inside the box, you get this handy quick start guide. That's going to give you your download information, some basic instructions. Here, if you want to, you can dive deeper into the owner's manual. That's going to be more detailed instruction, things like that, what everything does. This is a USB-C to USB-C audio interface, single channel audio interface. So there's your cable for that. And here is the interface itself. So as you can see, super sleek, super easy, really basic looking interface. Not a whole lot there. You have your USB-C to USB-C port here, then your headphone jack here. And just to give you an idea of scale, this is a Beta 58. And this is what they look like when you hook them up together. So you just run that in line, easy as that. So if you're interested in picking up one of these for yourself, feel free to reach out to us here at GearTech. We'll point you to a dealer that has one in stock. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.